Are you looking for the top 5 best rolling duffel bags reviewed? Hey there, I've been on quite a few adventures lately, and trust me, I've tested some rolling duffel bags that you might be considering. I bought these 5 bags and put them through the ringer so you don't waste your money. Let's dive into what I found.
Product number 1, Amazon Basics 30-inch large rolling duffel bag. When I decided to take a week-long trip, I realized I needed a reliable travel companion. Enter the Amazon Basics 30-inch large rolling duffel bag. Right out of the box, I could tell this bag was built to last. The durable ripstop polyester construction held up beautifully, even against the hustle and bustle of the airport. I rolled it through crowded terminals, and the inline wheels glided as smoothly as butter on toast. The telescopic handle was solid, extending easily and locking in place without a hitch. I loved how spacious it was. With multiple compartments, I could organize my clothes, toiletries, and even my laptop without digging through a jumbled mess. I packed it full, and it still felt comfortable to maneuver. However, the bag's weight was a tad noticeable when fully packed, but nothing unbearable. The design? Sleek, classic black that goes with everything. It's stylish enough to not feel out of place at a business conference, but practical enough for a weekend getaway. Pros? Durable, spacious, easy mobility, organized compartments. Cons? Slightly heavier when packed. Why buy it? If you want a reliable, stylish bag that can handle all your travel needs without breaking the bank, this is it. It's a great value, and I genuinely believe it's worth every penny for its durability alone.
Product number 2, Travelers Club 32 Midgard Expandable Rolling Travel Bag. The Travelers Club 32 Midgard bag caught my eye due to its affordability and solid features. Initially, I was skeptical about how much I could trust a bag at this price point, but I was pleasantly surprised. The heavy-duty webbing gave me confidence in its durability. It felt robust, ready to take on whatever journey I threw at it. The padded grip handle was a thoughtful touch, making it comfortable to carry over long distances. As I wheeled it through the airport, the inline blade wheel system made maneuvering a breeze, even through tight spaces. I loved the front accessory pocket. It was perfect for storing my travel documents and snacks, keeping them easily accessible. Pros? Affordable, sturdy, comfortable grip, good organization. Cons? Limited color options, might feel basic to some. Why buy it? If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable travel companion without compromising too much on quality, this bag is a smart choice. It's practical for any traveler who values functionality.
Product number 3, Pacific Gear Duffel Bag with Rolling Wheels. Pacific Gear's duffel bag had me intrigued with its sleek design and practical features. Upon first use, I was impressed by the durable polyester material and the mesh lining that promised breathability. The U-shaped zipper was a game changer, allowing for quick access to all my gear without fumbling around. The dual spacious compartments offered a surprising amount of organization for a duffel bag, which is often a challenge. The inline skate wheels provided a smooth rolling experience, even on uneven surfaces. I found the telescoping handle to be sturdy and easy to use, while the additional top and bottom handles gave me flexibility in how I carried it. Pros? Durable, spacious, easy access, smooth maneuverability. Cons? Slightly heavier due to the material. Why buy it? If you value durability and easy access to your gear, this bag is a solid investment. It combines style with functionality, making it great for both short trips and week-long adventures.
Product number 4, Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel Bag. I took the Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel Bag on a recent trip, and it didn't disappoint. The brand is known for quality, and this bag lived up to the reputation. The nylon construction was lightweight, yet incredibly sturdy. I appreciated how spacious it was. It easily fit all my essentials for a week-long trip without feeling bulky. The design was stylish, and I received several compliments on it while traveling. The heavy-duty blade wheels made gliding through the airport a breeze, and I loved the multiple pockets for better organization. Pros: stylish, spacious, durable, great for check-in. Cons: might not be as water-resistant as some would prefer. Why buy it? If you want a reliable duffel bag that looks good and holds a lot, the Wrangler Wesley is worth considering. It's ideal for frequent travelers who appreciate both style and functionality.
Product number 5. Foldable Rolling Duffel Bag with Wheels. The foldable rolling duffel bag quickly became a favorite of mine due to its innovative design. Measuring 80 liters, it's perfect for longer trips or as an extra carry-on. What I loved most was how easily it could be folded down into a compact size, making it a perfect spare bag for souvenirs or unexpected items. The water-resistant material was a lifesaver during a sudden downpour, and the heavy-duty wheels made maneuvering it effortless. The various pockets offered convenient storage for smaller items, while the reinforced base panel added to its durability. Pros: foldable, lightweight, spacious, water-resistant. Cons: might not have as many organizational pockets as some prefer. Why buy it? If versatility is what you need, this bag is a game changer. It's perfect for any traveler who likes to be prepared for anything.
Overall, each of these rolling duffel bags brings something unique to the table. Depending on your travel style, any one of them could be your next best travel companion. Happy travels!